Hello guys, today there are three stocks in my list. First is Syngene, in which I am looking for a buy trade. Setup is like very simple, a flag pattern which is going to you can see which is going to be give a breakout in some time. So I will take a buy trade, most probably buy trade in Syngene, and then second stock is IEX. See, very beautiful flag pattern in IEX has generated, but I was missed an entry over here in this stock. So currently I am waiting for another opportunity. If it will come, then I will take trade in IEX. But the most probably, maybe uh, this stock will not provide any opportunity today because it has already moved a lot. So maybe in reverse direction I can get can get an opportunity, but maybe it will be after 2 p.m. or simply in the second half. So it is still in my list and I will see this stock throughout the day till I think 2:30 or 2:30 is the most maximum. Till 2:30 I'll be watching this stock, how it is performing. If I will get any indication that current trend is getting weak and it will be supported by a volume, then I will take a short opportunity in this IEX. So let the market set up a trade for me for this. I will wait for that. Otherwise, I will not take trade in this. And third stock is TVS Motor, where you can see a beautiful inverted flag pattern has appeared. So in this also, I'm looking for an sorting opportunity. Let's see how all these stocks will cooperate with market. Along with the market and market trend, I will take a trend. If the market will remain flat, then most probably I will look for a less risk reward ratio, minimum 1 is to 1.5 I will be looking for. If the market will give me, then only, otherwise I will not take trade. But today I am going to watch only these three stocks: TPS Motor, Syngene and IEX. Most desired stock to watch today is, in my list, is TBS Motor, because the current trend of this stock is uptrend, but maybe it will provide a trend reversal over here. So a very healthy risk reward ratio I can get over here if it will get a breakdown with a heavy volume, or at least above volume above its last 15-20 volume bar. So currently I'm waiting for that opportunity to come. So maybe around 11:30 or 12 I'll get a shorting opportunity in this. I'm not I am not set my mind that it will give a short opportunity. If it will give a buy opportunity, then it will be more favorable, because dominant pressure in this stock currently is the buyers. So if this stock give us a buy signal, then preferably though that will be much uh, in trend. But as of now, as per my analysis, it seems that this stock may give a very good shorting signal. So let's wait for that. Sometimes what happens, there will be a trap. They will big players show us that they are going to buy the stock and they will create a false high. But at that time, you can filter by uh, closely analyzing the volume bar. If you closely analyze the volume bar, you will give a clear idea whether this is a false high or false low. So Syngene, Yes, it is still in and EX. Okay, okay, friends. Let's wait for an opportunity. See, this IEX stock is respecting this trend line. Yes, yes. See here, volume is as compared to very less. So those who have taken this flag, taken trade on the behalf of this flag, they were right. There was no any doubt to take the trade using this flag pattern. But you can see how much this price, this stock has moved till now. I think around more than 5% this stock already moved. So when stock has moved this amount of correction, then I think we should be waiting very conservatively whether it will go ahead or not. Either this stock will remain flat or it will come down in the second half, because the people who have taken this stock in the morning will start booking profit in the second half. So in that scenario, it will come down. So its nearest support is far away, 477. So maybe it will not come there, but near to the closing price or above this, that will be also a very good points if anyone can get that. I'm still looking for that. Let's wait and watch. Okay, if I will take any trade, I will upload another video for that. Okay friends, let's wait for the market to give us an opportunity. Thank you. Keep trading.